Welcome back, travelers! In today's video, we're diving into the exciting topic of finding a job in the UK. If you dream of working in this beautiful country, stay tuned because we've got some valuable tips and information for you. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to join the i2 Travel community for more travel and career-related content. And remember, we always appreciate your likes and comments. Now, let's get started. Introduction to finding a job. Without a suitable job offer from a UK employer holding a sponsor license, you won't be able to apply for a UK work visa. So, how do you find a job in the UK? Well, there are a couple of ways you can go about it. Online job search. One method is to do an online search and make direct job applications to UK employers. You can visit their websites and explore their career sections to find job openings that match your skills and qualifications. Recruitment agencies. Another option is to apply through recruitment agency websites. These agencies can help match you with job opportunities that align with your interests and expertise. Just be sure to do your research and choose reputable agencies. Tips for job search. When searching for UK jobs, it's important to be patient and cautious. Here are a few tips to keep in mind during your job search. Beware of unscrupulous recruitment agents. Unfortunately, there may be unscrupulous recruitment agents who try to take advantage of job seekers. Remember, it's illegal for job agencies in the UK to charge fees to job seekers for finding employment. Stay vigilant and report any suspicious activity. Shortage occupation list. Wondering which jobs are in demand in the UK? Check out the UK shortage occupation list. This list, published by the Home Office, highlights occupations facing a shortage of skilled workers. You can find the full list on the official Gov.uk website. Examples of jobs on the shortage occupation list. Let's take a look at some examples of jobs that made it onto the UK shortage occupation list for 2023. Care workers and home carers. Senior care workers. Veterinarians. Health sector jobs. Medical practitioners, nurses, psychologists, pharmacists, etc. Secondary teachers, in specific subjects. Programmers and software development professionals. Web design and development professionals. IT systems analysts, architects, and designers. Civil engineers. Mechanical and electrical engineers. Graphic designers. Arts officers, producers, and directors. Remember, this list is not exhaustive, and there are many more occupations on the shortage occupation list. For a complete and up-to-date list, make sure to visit the official website. Tips for job seekers, ready to take action? Here's your course of action when looking for a job. Certified sponsors. Start by visiting the Home Office webpage and download the list of certified sponsors. Look for care providers on the list as a starting point for your job search. Job search websites. Explore popular job search websites like Indeed or carehome.co.uk. You can search specifically for companies with sponsor licenses or look for care jobs from the shortage occupation list. Direct contact. Another approach is to directly contact care providers from the sponsor list. Use internet search tools to find them and their contact details. Reach out to inquire about job openings and express your interest. Submitting applications. Once you find a suitable job offer, it's time to submit your CV or write to the job advertiser. Tailor your application to highlight your relevant skills and experience. And there you have it, aspiring job seekers. We hope these tips and insights help you navigate the exciting journey of finding a job in the UK. Remember to stay persistent, be proactive, and always research thoroughly. You will find all the links referred in the video in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy job hunting!